Hey, what's up guys? This is Jonathan Orbuda. You're watching I Love Tanchong TV. And if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. Just click the subscribe button, yung nasa baba, yung red, and also yung bell notification for you to get notified for my future update. And if you're using your social media, of course, please follow me at I Love Tanchong sa Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And visit my blog, it's www.ilovetanchong.com. So it's day 4 today. It's 12th day of Christmas challenge wherein I am going to upload a 12 videos na sit down talking about random topics na binibigay sa amin ng aming boss. We're gonna talk about my favorite video ever for this year. Marami akong favorite na video talaga, or I consider it's the most successful video na upload. Kahit without considering the views, kasi may konting views yung iba, tapos may mga ganun. Though I consider that as one of my most successful video, deep inside, pero hindi naman siya pumatok, I did a dance tutorial sa YouTube Space Manila, which is very, fulfilling siya sa part ko kasi na-try kong makapag-shoot in front of the professional people na may crew ako. So, that's one of my favorite videos. Aside from that, yung year-end party ko na nanalo ako, na sumayaw talaga ako ng bonggang-bonggang sayaw talaga na my 30 years of existence talagang buti na lang hindi nabaling yung mga buto-buto ko sa mga pagkatumbling-tumbling at saka split candidate ko doon. So, yun yung two most favorite videos ko. But, my most successful video so far that I uploaded is an advocacy-driven video. I did disclose my HIV status doon sa isang video ko, which is nag-success siya. Lalo na, I uploaded it like 6 months ago, or I think mag 1 year na siya, pero nag-spike siya lately lang. I don't know what seems to be the reason, but doon kasi, tinignan ko sa analytics, tumaas siya kasi finisher siya ng YouTube sa browse feature. Since it is an advocacy-driven video, which is in celebration din sa World AIDS Day, natataon siya kasi November tapos December 1 is the World AIDS Day. It is a way for me to share my advocacy doon sa online na mga nanonood sa akin, na ngayon nag-start siya as 20,000, that was few months ago, pero ngayon nag-80,000 siya, nag-spike siya, and 80,000 is a huge number, and they were like watching the entire video, na talagang may mga haters pa ako, tapos may mga good feedback din ako na nakukuha, which is very thankful ako at saka empowering sa part ko as a YouTuber kasi nga I was able to reach their feeling na kailangan nila magpa-test. It's an advocacy-driven video na we really have to do something about the current problem, na kahit hindi naman, kahit alam mo napapanahon na you're doing this as passion or you're doing it as monetary talaga pag sa YouTube din kasi may pera ka naman, may sahod kasi kami dito, pero as using this platform na ma-reach out yung mga hindi aware, kasi minsan mga hindi nagpapatest ng HIV because they are afraid of the stigma that they might, someone might see them na sasabihin, okay, ano yan, malandi kasi yan, or gano'n, ay, pumasok siya sa clinic ng mga HIV testing, gano'n, ay, siguro may masamang ginawa yan dati, gano'n. So, ako as a YouTuber, and as marami akong audience na na-reach out, na ako nga diba, kung masama man yung dating sa akin online, or masama man yung impact sa akin, na parang ano ba naman to, papansin na naman to, disclose ng HIV status, negative naman. So, ang point ko lang doon is, ma-inform kayo na ako nga, dumaan ako dun sa stage na natakot talaga ako magpa-test, pero kinangker ko yun para lang sa sarili ko na dapat aware tayo, and sinare ko yun sa video ko, hindi para magpasikat, para maging, alam mo yun, maging medium siya for you to reach. Kahit, nakaupo lang ako dun sa upuan, nagdadaldal ako dito, pero naririnig niyo yung boses ko, na kung ano man yung, maging emotional tuloy ako, kung ano man yung gusto kong mangyari, ay nako, sobra. Mabaya, yun yung, ayaw na 5 minutes na ako nagdadaldal, pero yun yung favorite video ko na nag-success siya so far, because it is an advocacy-driven video, and I love it. Maraming haters, basahin niyo. I put the links down below dun sa specific video. Basahin niyo yung comments, sobrang daming hate. Yung mga, na bakit ako nag-English, ganyan. Sabi ko, keber, wala akong pakialam. Basta, this is my own channel. This is my, I have you guys who are supporting and who did watch for a span of 16 minutes yata ng video na yon. And then, 16 minutes na nilaan nyo para sa akin, sobrang thankful na ako doon. Diba? Para lang pakinggan yung kuda-kuda ko doon, yung wala namang, pero na-appreciate ko yun dahil feeling ko na kahit simple lang siyang phone video, pero pinakinggan niyo yung message ko. Thank you guys. This is my 4th day of doing a sit-down video. Pero thankful ako kasi buti na lang ito yung topic namin for the day. Na share daw my favorite video na magkit na yung dalawa. Pero ito yung pinaka-most successful video ko so far na yung purpose ko, yung reason ko to reach my viewers, nangyari. And doon pa lang, doon ko na ano na parang I have to do a lot of videos pa moving forward na kung ano yung mas malapit sa akin. So, aside from HIV awareness or information, baka may marami pang topic na pwede pag-usapan na hindi na pag-uusapan dahil taboo siya. So, I'll be using my platforms to maximize this and to reach you guys na isang click lang upload, at least alam niyo na kung ano yung ano. Then subscribe me guys ha, kasi nga gagawa pa ako ng 5th video, I think coming soon. Bukas gagawa ako, everyday ako magkukuda tsaka mag-i-edit, so very challenging talaga siya. So thank you so much guys, 7 minutes ako nagkukuda, thank you talaga, promise. Raw video coming from my heart, walang script. So yun, click nyo lang yung round button kung saan yung round, yung bilog na may nakahubad o ganyan. So click nyo yan dyan, i-hover nyo, may pop-up subscribe, and also the square button para pag i-click mo yan, mapupunta ka dun sa blog ko, that's www.alabtansyong.com, and yung related videos kung saan, yung videos na pinagsasabi ko dito, ito yun, click nyo lang yan. So this has been Jonathan Orbura, thank you so much guys for watching this sit-down video. Bakit ba ako sumisigaw? Narinig naman. Wala kasi akong shotgun mic. Kailangan ko makabili ng shotgun mic. Ipon! Ubus na kasi yung 13-month pay ko eh. This has been Jonathan Orbura. Bye-bye guys! Kagising ko lang. Ay, kape.